Tracy watch it.
Yeah.
You what baby mama.
Oh, by you as well.
Me feel of way.
Hey,
Some me man baby, me man if you me man full house and Tracy because of when Okalando city. On quarter, Obi a man. Now Zion Phyllis no. Sal guy no. Me china ma bona soon.
Aday.
O mainly to kwa premier baby mama o US. O ko jana kwa airport. Now man dey no for you. Have the Zion. Me hweti.
Who then?
Zion. Say people Tracy watching.
Not dressing.
Say the jai. Oh ya jai dada. Ma come on to ya jai. Don't Zion here to jai. O Zion o the blogger me nim say o the oba my wife and chem say oh don't need business. Now one man dey no for you. E airport. Now I like we airport na go feed my wife for please. Come on why? Baby, good problem me try. To me na jai.
Not to say kasa o essay.
Me S.
O S. Me ya mushimi o.
Me S.
Okay, you it me strong. Ate the blogger. Me try a friend.
I'll call you. Why?
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Friend you.
Oh, my friend. Why?
Yeah, that. Yeah. Hello. Number no story.
Me who number? Me who number? Me from. Me why? Sad pa.
Yeah. Christian de pa.
Me from why?
You with us.
Me from why?
Yeah.
Me from che. Me from. I'm interested watching me dey Tracy watch our for do. Hwe. Get na me ne Zion nya no ho asem. Wo Zion ko ja me wife kwan. One man dey do for chichu. Na no for no investment man say no for you. Zion. Bloody I phone Zion. Me background me boga sum kwa 30, 60. We are my pamo. Tell me you know me. My guys more for Christian pa. The man me say but we nya bad.